asking for help at the pharmacy.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, I do not feel well.
I'm sorry, what happened?
My throat hurts, and I cough.
I see. Do you have a fever too?
Maybe. I felt very hot yesterday.
Okay. How long have you felt sick?
About 3 days, maybe 4.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No, only hot tea at home.
Tea is good for your throat.
My grandmother says that too.
Grandmothers are usually right.
Yes, sometimes too right.
I recommend these cough drops.
Okay, how many should I take?
1 every 4 hours is fine.
Okay, after food or before food?
Either way is okay for adults.
Good, that sounds easy enough.
Drink water and rest tonight too.
I worked late last night.
Your body needs rest sometimes.
I know, but work is busy.
Try sleeping earlier tonight then.
I will try. No promises, though.
That is fair enough today.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are welcome. Feel better soon.
First day at a new gym.
Welcome. First time at our gym?
Yes, this place looks very big.
It feels smaller after 1 week.
I hope so. I feel shy here.
Many people feel that at first.
Everyone looks very strong already.
Most people started exactly like you.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Are you looking for a membership?
Yes, but something simple and cheap.
We have monthly and yearly plans.
Monthly sounds safer for me now.
Good choice for new members here.
I have never joined a gym.
No problem. I can show everything.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
What fitness goals do you have?
I want more energy every day.
Anything else besides more energy?
Maybe lose some weight slowly.
Slow progress is completely normal here.
Good. I dislike difficult exercise videos.
Those videos scare many people too.
That makes me feel less embarrassed.
We can start with easy machines.
Okay, not the heavy weights today.
Deal. No giant weights today.
Perfect. Maybe next year instead.
Come on, let me show you around.
Ordering breakfast at a hotel.
Good morning. Breakfast menu here.
Good morning. It looks very big.
Yes, we have many options.
I do not know what to choose.
What kind of food do you like?
I like eggs and something light.
We have scrambled eggs plate.
Does it come with bread?
Yes, toast and butter included.
That sounds good. I will take it.
Great. Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, please, with little sugar.
1 scrambled eggs, coffee.
Yes, I think that is correct.
You are doing fine, no worries.
I still feel a bit shy.
That is normal on first day.
Do you have fresh fruit too?
Yes, we have fruit bowl.
I will add that also.
Anything else for your breakfast?
No, that is enough for now.
Your order will come soon.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
I think I will enjoy it.
Have a relaxing morning.
Yes, finally, a calm morning.
Talking during a work lunch.
Hey, busy day today?
Yes. Everything feels very fast.
Work lunch helps slow down.
I usually eat alone quickly.
Today, you join conversation here.
Okay, I will try talking.
How has your week been?
Very busy. Many project deadlines.
Wow, sounds really intense work.
Yes, I feel a little tired.
You should take small breaks.
I forget breaks sometimes, honestly.
Could you just work and focus? That explains your stress levels.
Yes, I agree with that.
Try walking after lunch daily.
That sounds simple enough, actually.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, but sometimes very stressful.
Every job has stress moments.
Good. I thought only mine.
Everyone here understands busy schedules.
I am glad to hear.
What are you working on?
Mostly reports and client emails.
That sounds like constant work.
Yes, my inbox never sleeps.
You should protect your evenings.
I will try that soon.
Good start for balanced life.
Thank you. This feels helpful.
Work lunch should feel relaxing.
Yes, I am relaxing now.
Want dessert or just coffee?
Just coffee. I think enough.
Perfect. Coffee makes good ending.
Yes, better than more emails.
Exactly. No emails at lunch.
I like this conversation a lot.
You are speaking very confidently.
I feel more comfortable now.
That is good progress today.
Yes, I want more practice.
Next lunch will be easier.
I will join again tomorrow.
Do you feel more relaxed now?
Yes, this lunch helped me.
Great teamwork in conversation today.
I will try this daily.
Visiting the eye doctor. Hello. What brings you in today?
I have trouble seeing clearly.
Is it far or near vision?
Mostly far things look blurry.
How long has this been?
Maybe 2 months or more.
Any headaches or eye pain?
Yes, small headaches sometimes.
That is quite common issue.
I feel a bit nervous here.
That is normal for first visit.
I never visited eye doctor before.
We will do a simple test.
Will it hurt at all?
No, just reading letters on a screen.
Okay, that sounds easier than I thought.
Do you use screens a lot?
Yes, computer and phone daily.
That can strain your eyes.
I work long hours online.
We may need glasses for distance.
Glasses? I was expecting that.
It is a simple solution usually,
Will I need them all the time?
only for driving or watching distance.
That does not sound too bad.
We will check your prescription now.
I hope my eyes are okay.
Your eyes are healthy overall.
That makes me feel better.
Follow screen breaks every hour.
I never take breaks, honestly.
Try 20 seconds looking far.
I will try that from today.
Good habit for eye health.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. Take care.
I feel less nervous now.
That is good to hear.
Yes, I'm glad I came.
We will see you again soon.
Yes, I will come back.
Shopping for running shoes.
Hello, looking for shoes today?
Yes, running shoes, I think.
Great. What size do you wear?
I am nurse sure. Maybe size 10.
Let's check your exact size.
Okay. I hope it fits well.
Do you like any colors?
Black or maybe dark blue.
We have both options here.
Which one feels more comfortable?
This model is very soft inside.
And what about the price?
This one is mid-range price.
I do not want very expensive.
We also have cheaper option.
Is there big difference in comfort?
Slight difference, but both good.
I need something for daily running.
Then comfort is more important.
Okay, I should try this one.
Go ahead, try them on.
They feel a bit tight, maybe.
Try half size bigger.
Oh, yes, this feels much better.
Perfect fit, I think.
Yes, I can feel it now.
Ready to decide today?
Yes, I will take this pair.
Great choice for running.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy running.
I feel more confident now.
That is what good shoes do.
I hope I start running daily.
You definitely will start soon.
Yes, I will try tomorrow.
Good luck with your training.
Thank you. I feel ready now.
Asking about a job schedule.
Thanks for coming today.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Let's talk about schedule first.
Yes, I would like that.
Are you available full-time?
Yes, I am available full-time.
Our shifts are morning or evening.
Okay, what are the hours?
Morning is 9 to 5.
That sounds very clear. Thank you.
Can you work weekends sometimes?
Yes, I can work weekends.
Good. We rotate schedules weekly.
I understand. That sounds fair.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have a few questions.
Go ahead, feel free.
What is the break time policy?
You get 1 hour lunch break.
That is good. Thank you.
Any other question?
Yes. How strict are deadlines?
We follow deadlines, but we support.
Okay, that feels comfortable for me.
Do you prefer fixed or flexible hours?
Fixed hours. I like routine.
That works well in our team.
I am glad to hear that.
Why do you want this job?
I want to grow professionally, slowly.
That is a good goal.
I also want stable work schedule.
We value punctual and focused people.
I always try to be on time.
That is important for us.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Any final questions?
No, I think I understand now.
Great. We'll contact you soon.
Thank you. I appreciate this interview.
Have a good day.
You too. I feel confident now.
Planning a weekend road trip.
We should plan a road trip.
Yes, that sounds really fun.
We need to save some money.
True, I am a bit low now.
We can travel cheaply together.
Good, that makes me happy.
Should we take a bus or car?
Maybe a rented car is better.
Yes, more freedom on the road.
I like that idea a lot.
We also need to check weather.
Oh, yes, what if it rains?
We will check before we go.
That feels safer for planning.
Let's make a travel checklist.
Okay, what should we include?
Water, snacks, and phone charger.
I will also pack a jacket.
Good idea. Nights can be cold.
I am already feeling the trip.
We are not even on the road yet.
I know, I'm just excited.
Where should we go exactly?
Maybe a lake near the city.
That sounds peaceful and relaxing.
Yes, I want a quiet place.
We should leave early morning.
Early, like sunrise early?
Yes, less traffic that way.
Okay, I will survive it.
This trip will be amazing.
Yes, I really need this break.
Let's start saving from today.
Agreed. I will save carefully.
Road trip plan is starting.
I cannot wait for weekend. Borrowing a charger at work.
Hey, you look a bit stressed.
Yes, my phone is almost dead.
Oh no, do you have a charger?
I forgot mine at home today.
You can borrow mine.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
I really appreciate your help.
Busy morning for you?
Yes, many emails already.
That sounds like every morning.
Yes, my inbox is always full.
What do you work on?
Mostly reports and client messages.
Sounds like a lot of typing.
Yes, my hands get tired.
Take small breaks sometimes.
I forget to do that often.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but it is very busy.
Busy is normal here.
Good. I thought only me.
No, everyone feels same.
That makes me feel better.
Your phone charging now?
Yes, it is working fine.
Good. You won't miss calls.
Yes, that was my biggest worry.
Any plans after work?
I will just go home and rest.
That sounds like a good plan.
Yes, very quiet evening.
You can keep the charger for now.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes, I don't need it now.
Thank you. That is very kind.
No worries. Happy to help.
I will return it tomorrow.
Perfect. I will be here.
Great. I feel much better now.
Glad your day is improving.
Yes, thanks to your help.
That's what coworkers are for.
I am lucky to work here.
Ordering healthy food at a cafe.
Hi, what would you like today?
Hi, I want something healthy.
Sure, we have many options.
Can you tell ingredients, please?
Yes, this salad has chicken.
Does it have any nuts?
No nuts in this one.
Good. I have allergy to nuts.
Thanks for telling me that.
I always check before eating.
Very smart to ask first.
I sometimes feel shy asking.
It is always okay to ask.
That makes me feel comfortable.
Do you want dressing on salad?
Yes, but something light, please.
We have olive oil dressing.
That sounds perfect for me.
Anything to drink with that?
Just water, no sugar drinks.
Good, healthy choice.
I am trying to eat better.
That is a great start.
I also avoid fried food now.
Any other allergies I should know?
No, just nuts only.
Okay, I will note that.
Thank you for being careful.
Your order will be ready soon.
I hope I chose right.
You made a very good choice.
Good, I feel better now.
Healthy food can taste great too.
Yes, I am learning that.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I feel comfortable here.
Come back anytime.
Yes, I will try more options.